Alright, today we're putting new exhaust on the Subaru because it needs it. It's got 3 cats, it's restricted, it's small, pipe, all that good stuff. So I picked up a cheap one off of Facebook Marketplace. It's a Tsudo brand, I'm not really sure, I've never heard of it until I got it, but then I did some sound clips, sounds great. It's bigger pipe, it's not equal length, but the power will still be good. But I did a sound test because I'm most of the way through already because I was impatient. Instead of making a video, I decided to just work on the car. So I'm going to work on the car the rest of the time, but give you guys a sound clip as it is now with just the headers and the cat pipe on, and then a sound clip at the end, and then, you know, probably do a drive just because we can. And here's the car in question, my Subaru Rallycar that has a wonky sticker because it didn't want to go on right. With the headers currently on, with that left to go, that's the old exhaust. As you can see, 1, 2, 3 restrictive cats and a little tiny resonator that I don't know why exists. The little tiny down straight to single tube cat or headers. This is what's left. I've got a picture I will link. Well, I won't link it. I'll put it as the actual picture for the video of the whole pipe next to it. And this is going on soon to make a lot of noise. So the exhaust is on. I'm going to move you around to the back, and I'm going to start you while you're looking at the back side of this exhaust. All done. So it's not as loud as it was without the muffler and the resonant on exhaust, of course, but still sounds good. Still sounds better. Still has better flow. Now I just got to do race day, and that's in November, so I'll see you guys then.